Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your name in Facebook application. Please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments at the end of the video, and also subscribe to our channel. So, let's get down to our topic. First of all, open the Facebook application, then go to the menu. Next, at the top you'll click on the gear, and this is where you're going to go to the Meta Account Center. I also want to say that this name change action, it will be relevant on both iPhone and Android. So you don't have to worry about that. So, in the Meta Account Center, you go to Profiles. And next, you'll need to select your Facebook page. Now you click on the name. And at this point, if you want to change your first name or your last name, you can click and then you can use the keyboard to delete and add a new first name or a new last name. And in this way, you can change your name. But I must warn you that literally after 60 days you can change your name again. That is, expect that this action cannot be repeated often. If you change your name, it is already for a long time. So, once you've changed your first and last name, you'll need to click on Change Name. And then you'll be asked for your Facebook password. Once you enter your password, your name will be changed immediately. This is the way, friends, you will be able to change your name in Facebook app. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes. Also, don't forget to write your comments. And until new meetings.